Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can download your KW logo and your Market Center's DBA logo. So the first things first, we are going to log into command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. And once we are logged in, we are going to navigate to connect, which is in the top banner on the left. And once we are in connect, we are going to click browse all. Now there are two options. Either we can scroll all the way down to welcome new associates. We can also search new associate here and it'll pull it right up. So we are going to click new associate essentials right here. And once that loads, you're going to see a couple different assets here. And the first thing we're going to see is logos and branding. So once we are in logos and branding, we are going to see the primary logo collection right here, and that will give you all of the Keller Williams primary logos. So you can download it straight from here. And then to find your Market Center logo, you're going to scroll down and find Market Center logos, and you will select Get Your Market Center logo. This will bring you directly to a Google Sheet where you can find your Market Center either by number or by name. And from there, it will give you both a preview link where you can see the logo and a download link. So you're going to want to download your logo from right here. So you'll just select the link, click it, and it will automatically download it to your computer where you can then access and use it in your profiles, websites, and marketing materials. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always happy to help.